Okay children, we are going to make a next colorful exercise. Please listen it carefully children, listen it carefully. Fill in the blanks with the correct blend. Okay, fill in the blanks. We have to fill the blanks with the correct blend word. Okay children, okay, let's see here. There are a set of words given in the one column and the picture was given in the another column, isn't it? Okay, we have to find out the picture and we have to find out the word, and then we want to find out the missing word. Okay children, and these words are already we have done it, isn't it? So it will be very easy to do this exercise. Okay, so now we are going to fill the blanks with the correct blend. Okay, just tell me first picture, what is this? This is nest. Nest. In the nest, the first two letter is given, N and E. The first two letter was given. Okay, just tell me loud, nest. 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 Okay, first tell me this one. Nest. What is the sound you are getting? Yes, yes, your sound getting yes, yes, isn't it? Okay, you are getting a yes. Nest. T. Nest. Nest. You are getting any T sound? Yes, you are getting a T sound. Shall I put a T here? Okay. Okay. Nest. Nest. Okay. Listen. Move to the next picture. What is this? What is this? This is hand. Very good. This is a hand. Very good. Okay. Tell me here for a hand, the first two letter was given, H and A. H and A, the first two letter word given, and we want to find out the remaining blending word. Just tell me loudly, hand, hand, hand. N, what your sound is getting? Very good, N. You are getting a N sound. Hand, hand, D, D, not T. T means T. D, D. Yes, D sound. Hand. Okay, let's move to the next picture. What is this? You want to find out the picture and you want to tell me the word. Just find it out and tell me the word. This is for you children because you did many more times. You just saw the picture. Just find it out. What is this? Okay, what is this? Yes, somebody is saying very correctly. Just tell me what is this? Yes, this is desk. Okay, the desk, the first two letter word given, D, E, D, D, desk, 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 yes sound, desk, 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 you are getting K sound, but you does not put C, K, you want to put a K here, because they are having a desk, desk, okay, desk. Okay, let's look at this picture. You want to tell the picture name because you knew already. Come on children, tell me, cheer up, tell me, what is this? What is this picture? Come on children, tell me. Very good. Some of them are telling very correctly. Okay, don't worry. If you don't know, don't worry. I am here to tell you what is this. This is tent. 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 Okay. So just tell me correctly. The first two words is T. Ten. What is the spelling for ten? Ten. Ten. Yes, N. Tent. T. T. Yes, T sound. Getting a T sound. Tent. Tent. Okay. Okay. Let's move to this picture. What is this? This is belt. Okay, you will wear belt, isn't it? Okay, there are a lot of colorful belt is there. You like to wear belts? Yes, you are all liking to wear belt, isn't it? Very good children. Okay, for belt, the first two word was given, B and E. B, B. Bell. What is this meaning? Bell. What is your sound you are hearing? Bell. L. Yes, L sound you are hearing. Bell. Belt, T, belt. Yes, you are getting a T sound. Belt. belt, belt. Okay. Next picture is, what is this? You want to tell me? No, I'm not going to tell you. You're going to tell me. What is this? This picture is? Yes, this picture is lamp, lamp. Okay, if you tell me loudly, then only you can easily write the spelling for each word. Okay, if you tell the word name loudly means, then only you can find out the correct spelling. What is this? This is a lamp, lamp. Okay, for a lamp, the first two-letter word is given. L-A, lamb, lamb. Yes, what the sound you are hearing? Yes, M. Lamb, lamp, lamp, lamp. P. Yes, P sound. You are hearing a P sound. Lamp. Okay. Okay, children. Just next picture was given here. What is this? Just see it carefully. You love it. Actually, you love this picture very much when comparing other. What is this? Yes, this is gift, isn't it? Your friends, your relatives, your parents will give the gift for your birthdays, isn't it? If you did your good job, if you did your homework good, if you study well, then your parents will give a nice gifts for you. Yes, isn't it? Am I right or not? Do you all love the gift? Yes, do you all love the gift? Okay, for the gift, the first two-letter word was given. We want to find out the last two blending word. Okay, tell me loudly. If you want to get correct spelling, you want always to tell the word, picture name loud. Give, give, give. Yes, F. F. Give, give, gift, T, gift, gift. Okay. Getting a T sound. Gift, gift. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next picture. What is this? This is ring. Yes, I think it's a diamond ring. That the stone is here, isn't it? Okay, just tell me what is this? This is ring. We can wear a ring where? Where we will wear the ring? Yes, we will wear the ring in our fingers. Very nice. Okay, ring. For a ring, the first two-letter word was given. R-I, ray. Ray. What is our next word? Ring, ring, ing sound. Ing, I already told you what is the sound of ing. I-N-G. The sound of ing is I-N-G. So here I was given. We want to write only N-N-G. Okay. One more time I am telling children. The sound of ing is I-N-G. The sound of I-N-G is ing. Ing. Okay. Let's move to the next picture. You are going to tell me the name of this picture. Yes, some of them are telling correct. What is the name of this picture? Yes, what is this? Some of them are telling correct. Some of them are thinking milk. Very good. The milk is good for the health because the milk having the calcium content, isn't it? Okay. So the first two-letter was given. M-I. The first two-letter word is given. We want to find out the next two-letter word. Mill. What is the spelling you are getting? Sound getting. Mill. Yes, L. K. Milk. Yes, K sound. Okay, just listen. This is a milk. Already two word was given. M and I. We just written mill. L sound and K. Milk. Okay. Okay, next look at this picture, children. Yes, this is a boy and what he is having. This is a boy and what he is having. Listen carefully. He is having a golf, isn't it? Just look at carefully. If you are not able to see, just zoom it. Yes, what is this? This is a golf. He is having a golf bat. Okay, for a golf, they have been given a first two word G-O. Go. What is the spelling for gall? Gall. Yes, gall. L sound. Golf. Yes, F sound. Okay, golf. Okay, children. Okay, we haven't seen nest. The T is coming along with then it will be sound like nest. Hand, HAND, hand. Desk, tent, TENT, tent. Belt, BELT, belt. Lamp, LAMP, lamp. Next, this is gift, GIFT, gift. And this is ring, RING, ring. Okay, one more time. ING, for ING the sound will be ying. If the ING comes, then it will sounds like ying. Very good. Okay, next, milk. L sound coming, isn't it? Milk. Okay, and the last one is golf. Golf. F sound you are getting. Okay, let's move to the next exercise.